If you've been looking for some hair that's going to look real natural, well, you found your video, y'all. This is a Yaki Straight HD closure wig from Nadula hair. And just look how it's giving. Very much my hair. But it's not. And on top of all that, it took me less than 5 to 10 minutes to install it. So I'm going to need y'all to keep on watching so I can give you all the details. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ashley, and before we get into the details of this wig, I'm gonna need for you to go ahead and click the subscribe button to come take off from me. This way you can stay up to date with all the videos and what we're doing on this channel. I have a 5x5 HD blend away lace Yaki straight wig from Nadula hair, and if I haven't said it before, I'm gonna say it now. I love me some good Yaki straight hair, y'all. It is so realistic, it's so natural looking, and you still get all the natural feels while being able to easily manage your hair. Now to install, I will be just installing over some old braids that I had in my hair, so we're just gonna make sure that we get that together. This is a no melt cap. So no, I will not be doing any melting of no lace caps on this channel. We're just gonna make sure that that is secure and out of the way, and then we're just gonna apply the wig as such. Off camera, I did lace tint I did tint the lace with my foundation shade just to give it a more seamless look. And this is what she's looking like once I put it on my head. I did want to take a comb through just to see how this hair is feeling. So soft, so sleek, and I know it's going to take a flat iron real good. Because I don't do the ball cap method, I do make sure that my wig cap is sitting securely to where you will not be able to see it under my wig. So that was me just adjusting it so it can look more like a seamless scalp. Do you really like the wig if you don't take a second just to look at it? Like, I was so happy with how it looked. It's definitely giving me scalp, and you can't tell me otherwise, okay? At this point, I will be styling this wig just by lightly flat ironing it. I love the texture that comes straight out of the packaging, but y'all, taking your time to flat iron a Yaki straight texture is definitely worth it, okay? It took me less than 10 minutes to straighten this, so in total, it took me less than 10 minutes to install this wig. She's glueless, she's pretty. I'm gonna need you guys to keep on watching to see the end results. Shout out to Nadula hair, y'all. Their HD lace wigs are such a great quality, and I feel like the video speaks for itself. So if you are interested, this hair will be linked down below and all the details on it, so feel free to check that out if you do. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love to have you a part of my fam. But yeah, y'all, I'm starting to ramble. I have a little cold, so I'm just gonna go let y'all vibe out to the rest of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.